With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so the question is mostly all polymeric materials are non-biodegradable such as and as such that the discarded plastic materials made out of these polymers create environmental pollution. The chief among the polluting plastic material is polythene. The use of polythene bags, popularly called carry bags, and their discardance in the environment is a singular nuisance for municipal cleaning department. Most economic and useful substances for the manufacture of carry bags is. As we know that the mostly used carry bags in our generation or in nowadays is polythene. But polythene is non-decomposable or non-degradable. So it creates environmental pollution. So there is a ban upon using this in India or by a step taken by municipal corporation. And as we know that the jute fibers are quite strong and durable. Why this polythene is used? Mostly because it creates or it have the lowest cost to make carry bags or polythene bags. But in jute it is durable and strong, and it also have minimal cost. And our third option is paper. Paper bags also we can see nowadays it is also not that strong and not that durable, not so strong. And for making paper bags it is not that economic. And our fourth option is cloth bags. Cloth bags are strong, but to create cloth bags a lot of infrastructure and a lot of money is required. So it is and strong and durable but not economic. So these have minimal cost and all these jute, paper and cloth bags are degradable, and it does not create any environmental pollution, and it is mostly economic. So our correct answer for this question will be option number first, jute bags. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.